Latest model of Abdullah Dough Maker AE390 of 3.5 kg max capacity being checked for a Daraz order on 14th March 2024. This is the shipping label. Machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. This is the back side. We will show you from the bottom. There you can see there are no damages, and now we will start the machine. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It has a metal blade, an extra plastic blade, a measuring flask, an instruction manual, warranty booklet, and then we pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermophore at the bottom, a thermophore at the top, and then we apply the brown sheet. Finally bubble wrap it for safe packaging and paste fragile stickers on it. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes, and it's a lifesaver for housewives nowadays. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is okay to be packed further. ठीक है, अब इसको जो है ना ब्राउन शीट में और बबल रैप में पैक करके फ्रेजाइल के स्टिकर लगा देना।